Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at the white belt, which is hot cross buns. As you can see on my screen, you are looking at a video of me and hot cross buns over here on the side. Now, a lot of people, when they get home, will want to write the notes in that look something like this. You can do that, that's okay, but when you come up to do your test with me, you cannot have any letters written down on the notes. So it's okay to practice maybe with pencil and then erase it once you've got it down, but you could go through and write in the names of the notes. So looking at this, the first note that we have, I'll use my mouse here as a pointer, is B. B is that third line, every good boy. Then we go to a space, face in the space, so F-A, that's our A there. And then the last note that we have in this song is G, the second line from the bottom, every good G right there. So this song, we're only using B, A, and G. If you forgot how to play those notes, go back and watch one of the first videos. It's also right down here in the fingering charts at the bottom of how to play G, A, and B. Now you'll notice the time signature for this song is 4 beats in every measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat is what that bottom 4 tells us. We have a half rest here, which is kind of like the half note. It gets 2 beats of quiet. We have some half notes here. They get 2 beats each, so when we're playing it, we're going to hold it a little bit longer. We'll go B, A, G, rest, rest. We'll come back to that in a second. Then we have some quarter notes down here. G, 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 A, B, A, G. So what I want us to do first, looking at your paper or on the screen, whichever one you want to do, I want you to say the names of the notes with me. So we're going to say the letter names where they are on the lines or spaces. So the first one will start with B. Okay, say it with me. Ready, go. B, A, G. Rest, rest. B, A, G. Rest, rest. G, 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 A, B, A, G. Now I want you to get your recorder. Remember, your left hand goes on top, and this time we're not going to play yet. I want you to say the names of the notes while we read them and move our fingers. Okay, so we're going to say the names of the notes just like we did, but this time we're going to move our fingers along while we say it. So let's try that. Moving our fingers and say the names of the notes. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, G. Rest, rest. B, A, G. Rest, rest. G, 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 G. A, B, A, G. Rest, rest. And that is hot cross buns. Now let me play it for you once so you know what it sounds like. You can move your fingers along with me as I play to get some extra practice. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. You don't actually have to say rest. I'm just saying that to kind of help you. So remember, while you're playing, your left hand is on top. Your right hand is just holding on to the very bottom. We don't need to use our right hand yet, so it's just going to hold on to make sure it all stays still. Now, we're going to try just the top line. So I want you just to play the top line, and then we'll stop. So that's B, A, G, rest, B, A, G. Play just the top line with me, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Good. Let's go back and do that one more time to make sure we really got it. First line. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest. rest, rest. Now each of those notes we're holding for 2 beats. So when we get down here to our quarter notes, they're going to go like twice as fast because they only get 1 beat. So the last line should sound like this. So let's start a little bit slower. We'll go G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Play that with me. Ready? Go. Rest, rest. Awesome. Let's do the last line one more time. Make sure that you're using your tongue while you do that last line. We don't want it to sound like this. Okay, there I'm just breathing for each note. So remember, we want to use our tongue to stop the air and go 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So make sure you're using your tongue when we do it this time. And let's try the last line one more time. So starting on our G, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Good. Make sure you're using your tongue there. All right. In the next video, we'll go back and play the whole thing all the way through. So if you are still having some trouble with the top line or the bottom line, rewind the video back to that part and watch that a few more times until you've really got it. Then go to the next video and we'll play the whole thing. Nice job, guys.